Hey, how's it going? So today I just wanted to talk about and share the ambient lighting that I recently put in my 2022 Kona N. As many of you know, a lot of OEM manufacturers include ambient lighting. Specifically, my inspiration was just that simple strip that runs from left to right in the Elantra N. Don't get anything like that in the Kona N, but I thought, it'd be nice to add an aftermarket strip and give a little bit of ambient lighting, have different effects, things like that. So there is a strip that I found, of course, on AliExpress, and you can see it here kind of running from one end to the other. And what I'll do is just run through a few night clips and see how it goes.